Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to create a clean baseline, unplug the Xbox and HDMI, and wait 60 seconds so capacitors discharge. While it's unplugged, check the power cable and any external brick for frays or loose pins. A bad cable causes sudden shutdowns. Make sure the console sits on a flat, ventilated surface with 2 to 4 inches of clearance so airflow isn't blocked. Once done, plug into a known good outlet and proceed to the next diagnostic steps. You'll now run diagnostic actions to isolate the fault. Do a full power cycle. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds until it fully shuts off, then restart. Boot in low resolution or offline mode to see if the shutdown occurs during heavy load or network activity. That tells you if heat or firmware is involved. Next, disconnect all external drives, USB devices, and network cables. Peripherals can short or draw power. If it stays on, reconnect devices one at a time to find the culprit. You finish by applying fixes based on diagnostics. Install any pending system updates, because firmware can prevent proper power management, and try the offline system update if network flashes cause instability. If issues persist and you've isolated it to power or overheating, use an official replacement power supply or seek authorized repair. Don't open sealed components unless certified. If the console still shuts off, note any error codes or behavior and contact Xbox support with those details. That's the single most useful troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.